Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video we'll be looking at how you could sniff passwords and usernames from a network. And for this to do this attack, you need the IP address, and that's your BBS. You need IP address for everything, right? So we'll be using our DR Windows 7 operating system, our on a virtual machine, and if you see the IPv4 address, that's 231 and your gateway is 181. So for this attack we'll be using an attack called its name is MITM, or it's known as ARP cache poisoning, and it's an old school attack, and I'll show you how it works. Cache poisoning, and yeah, or maybe this one, we'll look at it. Okay, so this is how it will be. So normally a computer, it will be going to internet like this and like this, and when this one is happening, like this is the router will be like, hey, 192.168.1, that's the gateway, is at my MAC address, and Windows XP like, okay, so Windows XP will start sending all its traffic to here, and same with every computers. So now what we're gonna do here is we'll be sending continuous ARP packets to our spoof device saying that, hey, 192.168.1 is at my MAC address, that is this computer's MAC address, and we'll be selling this router that Windows XP's address. Let's imagine that it's 192.168.1.2, and that's gonna be, so we'll be like, hey router, 192.168.1.2 is at my MAC address. So now the router will start sending all the traffic through me, and that's how an MITM attack will work. So from the next time onwards, when after running the attack, the next packet, all the packets will go to the router and then to him. So actually the destination is now the gateway, it's to him, and it reaches to me, and I will send the packet to this guy, saying the router that it's a packet from where it is supposed to be to here, and those are custom packets. So if you don't understand me, you can go and check out one of the videos, or I actually suck at explaining stuff. So to reconstruct that attack, we have to first of all port forward it. So open your terminal, and to do that, first let's see this file. I will tell you cat/pros/sys/net/IPv4 and IP_forward, and if you read it, you can see the value 0. So we need to set this value to 1. To do that, type echo 1 and this command. When you run it, and then when you read it, you can see it's 1. So now that means it's ready to accept packets from which is not supposed to be to this machine. Okay, not like that, not to this IP address. And once that's done, we have to add a rule to the firewall which accepts the traffic and redirect it to port 8080. So to do that, run IP tables, and we are going to be entering the rule to the table called NAT, and they're pre-routing, and then -p, our protocol is going to be TCP, and our destination dashboard is gonna be 80, and we have to do the job called redirect, and it's to dashboard is gonna be 8080, or you can enter whatever port you want. Oops, it's got to be all caps pre-routing. Okay, now that's good. And now once that's done, we have to start the ARP spoofing. So for this, we'll be using a tool called MITMf. You can get it by installing apt-get install MITMf, and you'll get it. And if you are having an error, then I'll drop a link in the description. Just run those commands to fix it, and I have already done it, so I'm not gonna go through it again. So wait, let me check if I have that. Okay, I don't have. Yeah, I don't have. Okay, so to do that, you guys need to run MITMF, and we have to spoof, and we are going to use the ARP method, and our target is gonna be this machine. Its IP address is 192.168.43.231, and our gateway GATEWAY, that's gonna be 192.168.43.181. that's one right over here. And then you have to specify through which interface. That is gonna be my WLAN O. If you're on Ethernet, run Ethernet and press enter. Wait for MITM to start. And right now if you check your Wireshark, let's wait for Wireshark to start up. And you can see it started out here. And if you go to Wireshark, go to WLAN O, and here ARP, and you can see it's it will keep on sending ARP packets to this is to the gateway, and this is to your target. You can see these packets always together. So if you stop right here and look at these packets, you can see it's from we are going to tell you that okay, now this is to my gateway, and this one is to this device. So if you go to Ethernet layer, you can see destination. This is the destination. So let's copy this. Now I guess this is the source. I don't know what to look at. This is my phone. Okay, I think this one is this copy. Okay, let's just ping. We'll just do an ARP ping to 192.168.43. What is its IP address again? 43.231. Okay, I think this one P left, only one P. Okay, and if you, this is the MAC address, and if you could see there is the MAC address. So we'll start sending all the fake packet. Okay, now let's just it dot address equal to this one. So now from next packets, from next time onwards, you could see all the packets coming from this machine where we did our MITM. Okay, now MITM is running, so it's all sending all the packets to us, and there is ARP packets too, which we are sending. So now to for proceeding next step, we need now SSL Strip, and we're gonna listen on port 8080. And once that's done, if you want to get the pictures, to go to start and run Driftnet, and it will get you all the pictures that you require with Driftnet. Okay, did not come yet. Okay, let's start another terminal and run Driftnet. And you can see Driftnet is here, and we'll just open another terminal and run tail-f SSL Strip.log. So now whatever appears to the log, we get it over here. And now let's go to the victim's machine, and let's open the Internet Explorer, and you can see even HTTP. This guy got see, you can see all the pictures that came over here appearing over here this side. So now let's go to facebook.com. Okay, let's just extend this guy over here, and you can also see there are a lot of packets coming over here. And now if you go to the Internet Explorer, now I log in with one fake, that's going to be email@email.com, and my password is going to be password123. Nope. You can see your HTTP has turned out to be HTTPS has turned out to be HTTP. Now the cool thing is, let's go to google.com, and you can see here also the Facebook icon appear. Now let's go to google.com. come on, load up, and I'll just search for what will I search for? Okay, let me search for wallpapers. And now when I go to images, you can see bunch of some places in India, I guess. And if you go to images, then you can see all the images that it loads up over here. Now if you want to get the password over here, oh yeah, that is the password. So now here is a post request that went, and let's try, and the email is email@email.com, and the password is password.123, and login is equal to log plus in. Okay, now let's look at our Wireshark report, and now let's capture HTTP. oh, I don't know how to do this, and then HTTP. okay, so now let's go search for our Facebook's packets. So it's gonna be a tough time. Maximize this one or this one or this one or this one. Okay, now let's actually search for stream, and we'll go search for log. Okay, now search for Facebook email. Yeah, what's going on? Okay, let's actually find what is the IP address of Facebook first. Ping facebook.com. oh yeah, really, 157.240 157.240 157.240. okay, there is 157.240. okay, text. Now follow TCP stream, and let's go here and check if it's here. You can also see, you could see the cookies that the target is using. HTTP get. Okay, now there's got to be post request. What is the stream? Is that same stream? Yeah, that's the same stream. Okay, now this is get request, so our thing would be at bottom somewhere. Follow TCP stream. Get. Oh, why am I getting only get this request? HTTP. Okay, now there is one post request. Is that a Facebook? No. Get. There is another post request 23. Okay, now let's put IP dot equal 157. What is that IP address? 157. Copy that and let's paste it. And okay, now there is actually a lot of packets coming. Okay, that's not good. Let's go for HTTP and press enter. Get. I need post. Where is post? Nope. Okay, HTTP get continuation from 2 to 3 to 3. Okay, let's restart this one and let's try to log in again. I think that will work. Okay, go to our target machine, go to facebook.com, and you can see there is a request going, and let's go email@email.com, and our password is going to be password123. And once that's done, let's stop sniffing and go over here. Look, there's one post request. Let's follow that TCP stream, and when you go down, you can go find for email Okay, there you are. So email is email@email.com and password.123. And that's how you sniff stuff. And that's all for today's video, and I'll catch you guys on the real next video. Also, if you go guys, check out over here, you can see all the requests and some weird stuff happening here. So catch you on next, guys. Hit the subscribe button if you have not done, and follow me on my Instagram, etc.pro. So signing off.